Siguro narinig niyo na yung sikat ngayon sa TikTok. Na I'm an Amazon seller VA. Of course, blank, blank, blank. And in this video, pag-uusapan natin kung ano yung mga of course of being an Amazon seller virtual assistant. Welcome! I'm Apollo, your freelancing buddy, and in this video, I'll be sharing with you powerful tips that will help you in your freelancing journey. But before I discuss yung of course benefits of being an ASVA, don't forget to like, comment, follow, and subscribe in our Amaze Nation YouTube page and other social media platforms para naman updated kayo sa helpful tips and learnings that we are sharing. So now, let's go to why Amazon seller VAs love being an Amazon seller VA. These are the of course benefits of being ASVA. So number 1, I'm an Amazon seller virtual assistant. Of course, hindi na ako nasa-stuck sa traffic. So we know how hard it is being stuck in EDSA or in other parts of Manila, for example. And kahit sa mga provinces, marami ng traffic na thoroughfares at roads dahil sa dami ng sasakyan at sa liit ng kalsada. And by being stuck in traffic, meron ding time that's wasted by just sitting there in your car or sitting in a taxi, UV Express, jeep, or kahit nakatayo ka sa MRT. So for some, you may have experience being in those situations that I described, and I'm sure hindi nyo nagustuhan yun. And as ASVA, yun yung first of course benefit. Hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa office, mag-drive or mag-commute, and umuwi from office going back to your home. Kasi ang office mo ay nasa bahay mo na. Second of course benefit is, of course, I get to spend time with my family. So because you're just in the comfort of your home doing your job, hindi mo na nami-miss ang mga important celebrations like birthday, Christmas, New Year, mahal na araw, dahil ikaw yung na-assign to a specific shift. Yes, I understand for some may double pay, pero for some, they prefer to spend time with their family rather than receiving double pay. And by being an ASVA, Amazon Seller Virtual Assistant, you are with your family most of the time because you can do your job in the comfort of your home. Third, of course, benefit. I'm an Amazon Seller VA. Of course, I get to travel and work at the same time whenever and wherever I want. As compared to corporate employment, yes, merong isang side wherein involve ang traveling. Like if you're involved in sales, if you're a flight attendant, or nasa transport or logistics business. But if you're not involved in those jobs or careers, then there's a high chance na more or less 8 to 5 nasa office or nasa work environment. Whereas if you're an Amazon Seller Virtual Assistant, if you have your laptop with you, then you can go to Boracay, Palawan, Siargao, or even outside the country. Bring your laptop with you. You can bring your work with you because you can communicate and help your client while enjoying and traveling or even shopping wherever and whenever you want. Fourth, of course, benefit. I'm an Amazon Seller VA. Of course, I have an opportunity to earn higher income because as an ASVA, somehow you get to peg a rate that you want. Of course, depending pa rin sa yung skills and experience. And if you're not yet in the level where you want to be in terms of rate, you can always add client. So, pwedeng kung $4 pa lang ang rate mo ngayon, pwede kang mag-add ng another $4 client. Pero kung $10 ka na, so, and satisfied ka na doon, pwedeng yun lang yung client mo. Pero if you still have room and time that is still fit to what you want, ibig sabihin, marami ka pang energy at sobrang sinisipag ka pa, so pwede ka pa mag-add ng client. And your time and effort that you put in to the job is proportional to the income that you will earn. Fifth, of course, benefit. I'm an Amazon Seller VA. Of course, I get to enjoy job in the comfort of my home. So, maraming ASVA, they set up their own office in their homes. So, ano bang benefit kapag nasa comfort ka lang ng bahay mo? So, pwedeng paglabas mo, kumuha ka ng kape. Pwedeng paglabas mo, yakapin mo yung anak mo. Or makipaglaro ka sa dogs mo. Whenever you want to distress, you can just go out of your mini office at home and just have a break. And by being at home, you're also secured. Kasi alam mo nga sa bahay ka na walang ibang pwedeng mangyari doon because you are protected. You are in your comfort zone. And siguro marami sa inyo, mas gusto nyo nasa bahay kaysa nasa labas. Kasi home, kaya nga sa tinawag na home because that's where we are most comfortable in. And after taking a quick break, you can always go back to yung mini office mo and resume your work. And that's the benefit of being at home because you're at peace, you are secured, and you are with your family. Sixth, of course, benefit. I'm an Amazon seller VA. Of course, I earn at a foreign currency rate. Yes, there may be debate na magsasabi na pag tumataas yung USD, bumababa ang pesos, bumababa ang economy ng Pilipinas. Yes, I hear you. But on a personal level, if the foreign exchange is high, for example, ang palitan ng dollars sa peso ay nag-increase from 50 to 55, then if you convert that to peso, you'll have a higher peso equivalent. Yes, merong ibang magsasabi na tumataas naman yung mga bilihin. Pero as compared to others who are earning in pesos already, you are at an advantage. Kasi mas malaki yung nakuha mong peso equivalent than others. So that gives you higher income and higher spending capacity. Seventh, of course, benefit. I'm an Amazon seller VA. Of course, hindi ako required na pumasok ng 8 to 5. Hindi ako required magising ng 6 a.m. or 5 a.m. Kasi kailangan ko makapag-clock in ng 8 a.m. sa office. Kasi kung hindi, kakaltasan ako ng sahod kasi late ako. So, hindi ko na kailangan na dapat 4:45 pa lang, nakaligpit na yung laptop ko, hihintayin ko na lang ng 15 minutes yung 5 p.m. para mag-clock out na ako, diretso na ako sa labas kasi mahaba yung pila sa jeep, mahaba yung pila sa MRT, may kipagsiksikan ako. At pag lumampas ako ng 5, sobra na, grabe na yung traffic. So all of those, hindi may experience if you're an ASVA. Because again, you get to work whenever you want and should be aligned with your client also. Kasi kung ang client mo, ang required is you should clock in by 1 p.m. for example, until 9 p.m., then you can just do that. Pwedeng 5 minutes before 1 p.m., saka ka pumasok dun sa room mo or mini office, turn on your computer and do your work by 1 p.m. So that's the benefit of not being tied dun sa 8 to 5 p.m. na usual work hours. And for some, they don't even require na straight kang mag-work for them. So for some clients, ang na-require lang nila is a total of 8 hours as full-time, pero pwedeng staggered. So pwede ka magtrabaho ng 9 to 12, for example, kasi hindi ka nagigising ng 7 a.m. Pwede ka pang magising ng 8:45. And then 15 minutes preparation lang, kahit nakapajama ka or kahit nakasando ka lang, pwede kang mag-log in ng 9 a.m. hanggang 12, 3 hours. And then you can have breaks, pwede kang pumunta sa gym, pwede kang walking sa labas or mag-bike, do things for your personal development, and then just go back to work after to complete yung 8 hours. So, pwedeng bumalik ka ng 5 p.m. and then mag-work ka ng 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. So, that's another 5 hours. So, 5 hours plus 3 hours that you clocked in earlier, and that's still a total of 8 hours or full-time na work. O, diba? Ang saya. And eighth, of course, benefit. I'm an Amazon seller VA. Of course, there's a high chance that I will have a better working environment. So this is case to case. It depends, but for different companies, they have a certain culture na may or may not be fit for you. Yung iba, maaaring may mga boss na merong favoritism. May iba naman, may mga boss na pwedeng pag-initan ka or hindi mo makasundo. Kasi in a corporate environment, you need to be working with your colleagues. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo makisama. Paano kung ikaw ay isang introvert, for example, or meron ka talagang employee na hindi makasundo? And you will not experience that if you're in ASVA. Because you will just be working in your office at the comfort of your home and collaborating with your client and with your team members. And most likely, mga team members mo ay nasa iba't ibang lupalop din ng mundo. So, pwedeng may mga VAs sila from other countries or meron din possibility na may VAs ka rin na kapwa Filipino. And you will just be communicating through online channels. And of course, you also need to get along well with your team. Pero if there's an instance wherein meron kayong hindi pagkakasundo ni client or ng team members, then you always have the option to get out of that team and maybe find another opportunity. And there's a high possibility that you can be more efficient as an ASVA kasi mawawala na yung pupunta ka sa pantry, makikita mo din yung colleague mo, tapos may kipagkwentuhan pa sa'yo, may kipag-chismis, may kipag-chikahan, tapos naubos na yung 1 oras, 2 oras, wala ka nang nagawa. Tapos pagbalik mo sa desk, malapit na yung lunch, tapos magla-lunch out pa kayo, lalabas pa kayo, tapos yung lunch nyo mag-extend pa ng 1, 2, 3 hours. Tapos babalik kayo sa office, medyo malapit na yung 5 p.m., palabas na kayo. With that whole day, wala kang nagawang trabaho. Tapos marami kang hahabulin. And that's what's happening for some. Whereas as an ASVA, all the efficiencies of your job will depend on you, on how disciplined you are, on how efficient you are, and how effective you are in doing your tasks. So those are the of course benefits as an Amazon seller virtual assistant. I hope you were inspired doon sa mga of course na yon. And if you want to learn more, you can always check our Facebook page and other social media platforms because we have free resources there that you can watch. Thank you for watching this video. You may follow us in Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn for more freelancing tips. For inquiries, you may also text or call the number on your screen. Again, my name is Apollo, your freelancing buddy, because here in Amaze Nation, we provide life-changing learning and extraordinary living.